Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. For those of you that are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how I like to make my Parmesan rosemary roasted potatoes. For this I'm using baby potatoes because that's what was on sale and I thought, why not? But I've done this with all sorts of potatoes. Regular potatoes, I just would cut them smaller. I've tried this with sweet potatoes and it's really good. So whatever you want to use, for me right now I just use baby potatoes. That's what I had on hand. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's absolutely delicious.
Why can't you see that I can't just see that I'm dancing next to you? I'll be trying to get to you. If you only could see me too. Just when I need you, yeah. I'm moving up to you. The music is fading. I want you tonight. Let's make it happen. I wanna love you tonight. Your body next to mine, and I won't waste your time. I need to make it happen, baby, with you. Together in the night, you'll see. You know that I want you, know that I need you now.